Hey there, and welcome back. I'm Kristen Galloway, a licensed occupational therapist and dementia care specialist. Today I want to talk about a really handy piece of safety equipment that you can have in the house to help someone prevent falls or to help them getting in and out of bed if that has become difficult for them.
So just real quick, before I dive into specifics of how to use this bed rail, I want to reiterate that bed rails should never be used as a restraint or to keep someone in the bed. They should only be used as a mobility aid, right? For someone who needs assistance pushing up from the surface of the bed or for balance as they sit down. They can also be used to prevent someone from accidentally falling out of bed at night, but you don't ever want to use it to keep someone or to restrain them or restrict them to the bed surface. That actually increases fall risk, and we don't want to put anyone in a dangerous situation like that.
This is an extendable bed rail made by the Standard Corporation. I'm going to go ahead and unfold it here. And as you can see, it's got these two little knobs here that allow you to fold it down when it's not in use, so that you can slide it under the bed or put it in a closet. But it's super simple to use. Just open it, locks in place. This is the portion that goes between the two mattresses. So underneath the mattress and on top of the box spring. So between the two, or platform, if you have a platform bed. It's got a long length here that runs underneath, right, and attaches to the bed frame on the other side. That's just an added safety precaution so that it doesn't break free if someone pushes on it real hard. So I'm going to go ahead and take this. We are going to slide it, again, underneath the sleeping mattress, but on top of the box spring. So I'm going to slide that through. The rest of this length for the safety strap would also slide through. You probably need two people to do that. Someone to lift the mattress, or perhaps even take it completely off, run it all the way underneath, and then put the mattress back on. Two-person job, not going to do that today, but that would go all the way underneath and attach to the bed frame on the other side. So I'll just show you how this works really quickly. You're going to snug this up to the bed. Again, it's pretty sturdy even without the safety strap, but that's a great additional feature to keep it from breaking free. So then you have this here so the person can easily get into the bed, right? Stand up really easily. If you do not want it in the way, once they get in the bed, you can fold it down like so, right? So once they've sat down here, you can swing the legs around. It's not in the way any longer. But if they need it to get up, then just lift it right up here and use that to stand. It's also adjustable in length. So if I wanted to extend it, it has 3 different positions. Simply by pushing this little release button here, we can adjust it to the 3 different lengths. So I'll put the link for this product down below the video in the description section if you're interested in purchasing it. I can't remember off the top of my head how much it is. I think it's right around $100, but very reasonable for a very convenient, foldable, collapsible, and very safe piece of equipment to have in your home. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you, and thanks so much for watching.